Yo, guys. So, today I would love to share a recent case study of a website we have recently developed for a fantastic Florida based landscaping company. If you're curious about how a website goes from design in Figma to a fully functional React animated website, you're watching the right video. Let's dive in. So, starting was like in Weavers. We started brainstorming ideas and gathering inspirations from different websites like Drivel, Behance, and others to ensure the website would represent their brand perfectly. So in Figma, we designed a branding first, then mapped out the entire layout, focusing on a clean and modern design field with high quality images of their work. The aim was to make the site not only visually appealing but also incredibly user friendly. So, one of the standout feature of the design in the homepage is a large hero video in the background that immediately grabs the user's attention. We have also section that highlights their service, an image gallery of their work, and a sample contractors form. Also, we have made sure the design is fully responsive so that it looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Once the design was finalized in Figma, it was time to bring it to the life using React. I choose React because it's powerful and allows for smooth dynamic user experience. I started by setting up the project structure and installing the necessary dependencies. Then I began converting the Figma designs into React components, gave them life with Tailwind and GSAP as always. One of my main focus was maintaining the integrity of the design while ensuring the website is fast and responsive. So what the team came out with the final product is a seamless transition from Figma to a live website. The website not only looks amazing but also performs flawlessly. So one of the highlight of this project was ensuring the website is fully responsive when someone visits the website using their phone, tablet or desktop. This is crucial for reaching a wider audience, making them a great first impression. Um, this is the final product you can see. If I give it a reload, you will see the nice transition that has been made with GSAP. So if I recap again, you see these are the designs from Figma. This is the branding guideline, what to use, what color not to use, and and yep, the final design again. So thank you. I hope this case study gives you some valuable real life insight about the process. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more case studies or need help with your own website development, feel free to reach out.